KidsVision TV.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am coloring a princess. Let's color with me. Now you can start by coloring. First I am coloring its hair. Dark yellow color. I love to color its hair. I love very much.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Let's color another side. Its hair is looking so nice. Do you like to watch my videos? I love to color its hair and its hairband. I love its hairstyle. Let's color in dress, light blue color. It is a princess dress. Let's color another side.
Subscribe us for more videos.
Princess holding a flower bouquet. Let's color its chest. Let's color the other side. Red color I am coloring in hairband. Let's color in flower. This is a rose flower. The princess looking so nice, and the flower is too. Green color. Let's color the green leaf. Dark green color. Let's color the big leaf with dark green color. Oh, it's looking such a beautiful princess. Let's color its dress. You can color with me. Do you like to wear a princess dress? Oh, it is looking so pretty and so beautiful. If you like my videos, then like, subscribe and share. Now I'm going to color its body. Let's color its face, skin color. Let's color the other side. Let's color the neck. I love this princess very much. Let's color the arm. Let's color the another arm. Now you can color with me its lips. Pink color. Let's color its eyes. It's looking like Aishwarya Rai.
Subscribe us for more videos.